In this demonstration, I'll describe the steps for removing material and modifying the footplate of the AFO. We'll go to the tool width and select 1.5 inches, fixed depth, and initially we'll go to 3/16 for carving in the transverse arch of our AFO. We're going to stay back behind the metatarsal heads, left click, and begin to carve in the transverse arch. I'm just moving the mouse from left to right and carving in that transverse arch, staying away from the first metatarsal head, and again back behind the ball of the foot. We're just going to do this one small area at a depth of 3/16 of an inch. Then I'm going to change the tool depth or carve depth down to 1/8 of an inch because this model has a pretty good medial longitudinal arch already because it was scanned in an unweighted condition or position. But I'll enhance this a small amount up through the sustentaculatum tali region, avoiding the navicular. Also avoiding the first metatarsal head. Now that I've removed some material, I'm going to go down to the left-hand corner, select 2-inch blend, right-click, and blend all these edges, soften everything back up. Back into the field, rotate the model around, and just blend all these areas back together. With the exception being this very front edge of the transverse arch. I'm going to go back to blend, go to small blend, and do the front edge. Oops. Left click by accident. I'll right click this front edge and blend it with the 1-inch blend tool. So this is the beginnings of the transverse arch modification. I'll zoom that out, and that's looking pretty good for starters. That's how we modify in and remove material on the planar surface and begin modifying the footplate of our AFO.